Hello, in this video we are going to talk about how to analyze the Bitcoin or crypto investments. So when we talk about crypto investments, you would buy this crypto based currencies, Bitcoins or various products on various apps which are linked with the crypto exchange. So whenever you look at any of these cryptos, the the way to analyze the investment is same as you analyze any of other financial products. So the first thing that you need to look at is what is that crypto is about. Is that a technology platform on which, say, somebody could build an independent applications, or is that something which is providing some services to the other applications which are built on crypto? Is that a coin or a currency or a digital currency? So what is the purpose that crypto is serving? So to check that, before you invest, always read about that specific crypto, like what is it doing, how it is generating some fees or some revenue for the participants in the network, and that will give you an idea about whether the solution which the crypto is providing, whether it's worth in terms of, say, market requirements or the customer's requirement, and how it would grow in future. So definitely something which has got some cash flows would generate, have some value when we value it today. So to check that, you can log into the website of that specific crypto, look at how many users are there, how many applications are working it, how it is helping the community at a large, how it is helping to solve some specific problems within, say, blockchain technology. And like that you can analyze like what's the business model of the crypto, and from that you would understand like how uh, it would, say, grow potentially, and what are the say future prospects about that crypto. So that's one thing that you should always look about. The second thing is you should always check for the team or the founders of this crypto. You can go to the LinkedIn and verify their profiles, see their experience, what they have done in past, and what and how they are contributing to the blockchain community. You can look at their Twitter feed and various other social media channels, wherein there are certain ways to understand a person and a team, and that will give you a background about like what's the mission the person is working on, and then that adds value, the value of the product on which they are working. So the first thing is the business model, second thing is a team, and the third thing is like how what is the competition, like how many other similar products are there in market, who are the competitors, and who all are working on, say, similar, and what is the profile of those people, what is the usage, what is the use case of that technology. So you can look at the competition, and based on all these factors you would have, say, some idea about how this product would grow in future. So right now there are not many things that you could, say, analyze, since the crypto as a market is quite new as compared to the stock market, or any other financial investments market. So there is not much of historical data available, but the basics of any financial investments would always be the same. So you need to understand what's the underlying assets and what kind of value that those underlying assets for those cryptos would generate, and that value would in turn be the variable when you calculate the valuation, or when you look at the valuation of a crypto. And then always there is a lot of, say, market activity which is happening. So uh, you can also look at the market activity, what is the general scenario, like you could look at, say, certain uh, very product specific, very crypto specific YouTube videos which are available on YouTube by various YouTubers. Even they do all the analysis, and then they would provide a lot of information about that specific crypto. So after analyzing and studying all this business model, team, with data which is there in the social media, and its use case, it will give you fair idea about like whether you should invest or not to invest in that specific crypto. Also, it's not an investment advice. It's a kind of some guidelines that I'm providing in this video, and you should assess your own risk, your own, say, investment requirements, but I would suggest, say, it is something which most of the people are investing, and then it's something as a part of, say, web 3.0 as well, and it has got large potential to grow. So having, say, some portion of your investments invested in crypto might help in future. So with that, stay tuned, and we'll talk about more about blockchain, cryptos, and more in this series of videos. So stay connected.